Well, an update in just the last few minutes about the situation regarding the argument around the apartheid flag. Judgment now reserved in the Supreme Court of Appeal in Mangaung. The organisation AfriForum trying to overturn an earlier ruling that the gratuitous display of the old South African flag amounts to hate speech. Our reporter Tumaole Mohlaoli outside court for us. He's been inside court today. Tumaole, good afternoon to you. What arguments there?
Well, Stephen, the arguments basically put forward by AfriForum is that the display of the flag did not constitute gratuitous hate speech because it was displayed in an open forum. They're saying that they do not endorse the use of the old apartheid-era flag, arguing that they could not have control, of course, of the members and what they would have done, that they weren't pre-warned about the intentions of the members who then displayed that particular flag and waved it, going against what has been now seen as, of course, the legislation and of course, what is the law in terms of the flag not being displayed in public because it represents, of course, hate speech, and it has been effectively banned. But AfriForum is saying that they have no control if the flag is banned is displayed rather in a private setting, because that would also infringe on people's right to self-determination, so to speak. But let's hear from Mr. Candy in terms of what happened in court. So what would be your impressions of the matter now?
Well, thank you very much for having me. I think that we had a fairly satisfying day in court today. I think that we presented an argument which is in line with the law as it stands constitutionally speaking. There has been quite a number of developments since the Equality Court ruling in 2019 by Deputy Judge President Mohlaoli. Most notably the unanimous judgment last year in the Constitutional Court in the John Kwalani case, which is a case in terms of the Equality Court dealing with hate speech referring to homophobia. In that specific case, the Mandela Foundation's case, the Mohlaoli ruling in the old flag case, was specifically endorsed by a unanimous constitutional court, which said that the manifestation of hatred can take forms other than mere words. So in other words, it covers symbolism like the apartheid flag, and one could even argue like the swastika flag of Nazi Germany. We're not sure why AfriForum continued with the matter, because there has been settled constitutional law since 2019. But we understand that they may have a base to satisfy, and we think that we will prevail.
All right. Now, thank you very much for that update. That was the Nelson Mandela Foundation's Mr. Candy just giving us an update about what this matter means for them. And so judgment has been reserved, and we will wait to find out exactly what this full bench of the Supreme Court of Appeal makes of that particular case in terms of AfriForum's application to basically overturn the earlier ruling, which deemed the use of publicly the old apartheid-era flag to be hate speech. With that, it's back to you in the studio.
Tumaole Mohlaoli, thank you very much indeed. An important case about our past. Well.